Okay, hello! I already showed a little sneak peek in my previous video, but I found this amazing blanket at the thrift shop. So cool. It still smells of thrift shop. It's like a really thick blanket. As you can see, it's a really pretty fabric. I thought it would be so cool to make a sort of blanket jacket, a sort of kimono jacket. I don't really have a pattern or anything, but I do have a kimono from the thrift shop from a few years ago, and I'm gonna use it to cut out the pieces for this kimono. I'm just sort of gonna wing it, I guess, and hopefully I will not mess this up. If I look at like blankets or other garments, I always wonder like who made this? How many hours went into making this beautiful item? So cool. Imagine all the places this blanket has been. Maybe it's really old. Maybe it belonged to some beautiful hippie woman and she took it on all her adventures in her little camper. Who knows? In her hippie bus. And I'm gonna make a jacket, a kimono out of it. Let's see how this will go. Let's start sewing! Woo! Alright, I'm gonna start by laying out my blanket. I want this to be the bottom of the blanket. This one is a good size. I'm gonna start cutting the sides, and I'm sort of afraid, but I'm gonna start anyways. And the sleeve length, I'm gonna leave it as is. So make this wider, cut this like this. I put the blanket double, so all I need to do is cut away in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm so scared. So it's done. Now I'm gonna measure out the exact middle, and I'm only gonna cut the front open. Yeah, and I'm gonna cut it open. I'm gonna turn the kimono inside out. I'm gonna the sides and the armholes on both sides. So I'm gonna pin it into place, and I'm gonna use some clips to pin everything. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna sew a straight stitch. I'm gonna do the same on the other side, and I will show it when it's finished. Let's try it on. Excited to see what this looks like. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm just thinking maybe the sleeves shouldn't be this big, because it sort of gets kind of bulky here. What I'm gonna do now, yeah, I think I'm gonna take in a little bit of the sleeves and see how that looks. Well, so this didn't work out. I don't know why, but like fixing like armhole stuff, I always seem to mess up and I don't really know why. It always turns out so weird. Like, this is the other armhole on the side, and this is... I'm gonna get my favorite tool, my best friend, and I'm gonna rip it open again because this looks like shit. If anyone knows why this keeps happening to me, please let me know in the comments or send me a DM on Instagram or whatever. What am I doing wrong? It's frustrating. I don't really like the small sleeves anyway. I like the bigger sleeves more. So I'm just gonna use my best friend, the seam ripper, and rip it open. Okay, I fixed the sleeve, which is fine. I like it better this way. And I thought it would be cool. The inside is a bit darker red than the outside. I thought it would be cool to flip it over like this. I think that looks cool. And then I'm gonna also do like an extra band. Maybe not flip it over, that will make it a bit too short, but add an extra piece and then add a darker band at the arms. Okay, I made some straps and I'm gonna attach them to the arm because I thought it looked cool that you had like a darker band here, and I also want to do like a darker end band at the arms. I think it will look cool. It's a bit wonky now, so I'm gonna iron it and see if that helps. I added the extra length to the sleeve, but I don't really like it. There's a lot of trial and error in this video. I'm just trying stuff out, you know? I think it's the length. Because now it's too long and it sort of looks weird. Yeah, I'm gonna take my ripper again and I'm gonna rip it off again. I'm hand sewing the ends because the fabric was too thick here, so I'm doing it by hand. Like my phone is ringing all the time because I'm trying to get tickets for a festival. I just came from a festival like 2 days ago and I'm still sort of recovering from from that festival, but you know, I love dancing so much. But yeah, I'm still not sure, so let's see if I can get tickets first. But I really want to go. It's like one of my favorite festivals. It's boring, everything is boring. This is one of my favorite songs at the moment. It's boring. Right. I think the kimono jacket is finished. I finished the kimono jacket. It turned out pretty good. It was a lot of trial and error for this video. Haha! I tried some stuff and some things didn't work out, and yeah, I don't know what I was doing, but I think the end result is so cool, and I'm gonna show it to you now what it looks like. So cool. Now I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with my other blanket, because I found 2 blankets at the thrift shop and the other one was this one. Also beautiful. I wanted to make like a kimono jacket of this one, but I don't have enough fabric. So I was thinking maybe a dress. I don't know. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments, and I see you in 2 weeks.